Which team won the 2024 NCAA men's basketball tournament?
Yukon Huskies.
How many states and Canadian provinces share a border with Minnesota?
5.
Which planet has the most moons? A, Earth, B, Saturn, C, Venus, or D, Neptune?
Come on, John.
I think it's Saturn. Yeah.
Yeah, either Saturn or Neptune. Saturn. It's not Venus or Earth.
We'll go with Saturn.
Saturn.
Which movie features the line, "I'm going to make him an offer he can't refuse"?
You can't refuse. That's the Godfather.
Oh, there was multiple choice.
See, Godfather.
Scarface, Pulp Fiction, Godfather, and Goodfellas. In HVAC, what unit tells you the efficiency of a heating system?
Good question.
Oh, BTUs per day, R value,
Our value is insulating.
FEMS per year. Okay, and then DAFUE, annual fuel utilization efficiency, A or D?
Well, BTUs per day is the amount of output, right?
True.
So it'd either be D or C.
I think D says efficiency.
He
Yeah.
carries the word efficiency. That's where my eyes go.
D. I don't know.
Yeah, go D.
How many did you get right?
Which team won the 2024 NCAA men's basketball tournament? No
I even
idea.
did a bracket.
How many states and Canadian provinces share a border with Minnesota? We got the two Dakotas, Iowa, Wisco.
Canadian provinces.
Yeah, and states though. So our
There's
states
four
are the
states.
Dakotas, Iowa, Wisco.
Ontario.
Is it
That's
upper?
another one.
Yo, we're gonna lose bad, boys. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? Saturn. Boom.
There you go.
Oh, you're gonna have to cut that, sorry. Which famous features the line, "I'm going to make him an Godfather"? In HVAC, what unit tells you the efficiency of a heating system? BTUs per day, R value, FEMS, annual fuel utilization.
way too specific.
Yeah. I think it's the A, BTUs. I'm gonna stick with that. D?
It literally says efficiency in the answer.
But sometimes that's too obvious. Yo,
The obvious answer is the right one.
BT, yeah, BT.
Okay, who knows sports? Who won the men's basketball?
alright, so we're going D. So we got The Godfather, we got... Cool, what ones do we got left? How many states?
We figure out the states, so there's for sure
First four states.
and one province.
Do we have to
Is there
name
another
them?
one?
Nope. Alright, so we got 4 states, 1
for
province.
But
So
there might
5.
be more.
Let's just stick with 5. And which team won the 20... There's like 1,000
Who
basketball
won
teams.
college ball? Who won men's college ball last year?
I want the
I
Gophers.
don't watch college sports.
It was one of the favorites. I know that. Should have picked Kyle. See, Kyle, I said we had 6 people.
Yeah, there's bound to be a sports question.
I don't know any basketball teams, so.
Yo, someone go write it on the whiteboard over there or something for me. What?
Which one? Doesn't Illinois have? It might.
Chicago. Ooh,
Yeah. So let's do 6. There's like a mile.
6. Upper Peninsula doesn't touch the border though, right? No, you got.
No.
It touches.
Yeah, up at the very tip, right?
What else does it border?
The Upper Peninsula, lakes.
Well, isn't the
Oh,
lake
that's not the
considered
question
border?
though. We're getting distracted, boys.
Touchdown. Texas.
Um,
Longhorns.
YSU, LSU, JSU. It's one of those U's, right? Okay. Should we just give up? Should we throw in the flag, boys? Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah.
I can't.
Kentucky?
No. Sure. Is there only one Kentucky basketball team? Kentucky won that. Dude, there's no way them Farm Boys won basketball.
No, it's like Connecticut or
With how long we're taking, you got
UConn. Did UConn
Yeah,
win?
no doubt.
What's the?
I don't follow that.
No, I don't.
But I did brackets. It was
Bro,
one
you
of the
should know.
favorites.
You should know
It
better.
was like UConn
I
or-
literally can't name more than like
Let's do UConn. I swear.
UConn.
Is
All right,
that the Huskies?
UConn Huskies
Yeah,
won the
Huskies
game.
won.
And did we decide if Illinois borders Minnesota
I
technically?
go yes.
Yeah, so let's change that to 6.
You think so?
I feel like it does. I don't know why.
I don't know.
feel like it never.
I think it.
Like to that point.
It's right down
Wisconsin,
there.
Iowa, North Dakota.
No, because it's
South
on
Dakota.
Michigan. But it might be on this
Yeah.
backside here,
I'll pull
right?
my phone out.
Gosh, if it does, it's just like barely this tiny little corner, you know what I'm saying?
Let's do 6.
Saskatchewan?
Hey, you know what?
No, that's
If
way
you're
up
wrong,
there.
There's 2 provinces that border it.
Yeah, let's do 6.
Let's do 6.
All right, 6. 6 states and one, you know, whatever I'm saying. Yeah. All right, we good?